Do you follow up appropriately? So, one more time, I must ask. Let me ask you one more time. Do you really know how and when to follow up? Ladies, let me tell you, when you leave here today and you don't plan to follow up, why are you here? Follow up is when the golden nuggets truly fall into your lap. Everyone should be following up with Nora. Everyone should be following up with Dr. LaDonna, Dr. Pat, Dr. Lotus. Even if you have followed up with Tamra 3 months ago, guess what? Follow up with her again because maybe she's doing something differently. Maybe she can help you with something differently. Follow up. What are you doing, ladies, if you're not following up?